Hey there, party people! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something super special for you, a guide to the luckiest day of your life, Vegas style. So, if you're ready for an adventure filled with joy and a whole lot of unpredictability, you're in the right place. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into the ultimate Vegas experience. First stop on our quest for the luckiest day ever, the strip club. Yeah, you heard me right. It's 10 a.m. and we're kicking things off with some early morning extravagance. Round of lap dances for everyone, because who doesn't love a little dance to start the day, am I right? Now that we've got our spirits lifted, literally, it's time for a leisurely stroll to the strip. And what's a stroll without giant margaritas? These bad boys are not only refreshing, but also the perfect elixir for a day of pure bliss. Let's enjoy the sights and sip our way to happiness. No Vegas trip is complete without a good meal, and we're skipping the 99-cent steak today. Instead, we're treating ourselves to the culinary delight of a fried bologna sandwich from Toby Keith's I Love This Bar and Grill. Trust me, it's a taste sensation that'll blow your mind. Now that we've fueled up, it's time for some entertainment. We're heading to a dueling piano bar where we'll tip generously and turn the music into a drinking game. Get ready for a lively, interactive experience Vegas style. After hours of fun, it's decision time. Do we go for a mesmerizing magic show or an adrenaline rush at sunset? Choices, choices. Either way, it's going to be an unforgettable experience. Let's roll the dice and see where the night takes us. Our day of spreading joy has created a bond among us. It's incredible how interconnected we all are. As we revel in the newfound camaraderie, remember, the universe has a way of returning the favor when you spread joy to others. Now, for the grand finale high-stakes gambling. We're entering a poker tournament, and we're trusting that the universe has our back. With the joy we've shared today, we're destined for a jackpot win. Let's roll those dice and see if luck is truly on our side. As we celebrate our victories, let's take a moment to reflect on the power of uplifting others. Spreading joy can lead to incredible connections and experiences, so keep spreading that positivity and watch as the universe returns the favor. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable Vegas adventure.